Hi guys, I have C350e, and actually if it's a screen wash it doesn't work. If it's due like that, alright, nothing happening, just a bit spraying. It's actually, yeah, so keeping it's not spray, so it's just in the beginning. That's it. That's mean is blocked. The filter of the screen wash pump is blocked. Alright, so now I'm going to fix that and to show you how that easy to do. The Mercedes engineers, they made it so easy. Actually, everything is simple and everyone can do if they know what they're doing, and that's why I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So you don't need to go somewhere to spend the money, so you can do, if you have time, anywhere at home. So okay, as you can see, to fill up the tank of there, and the pipes is going right down there. Okay, so what you need to do, just to unscrew the wheel, okay, and to get entrance over there. All right, so I'll show you how to do, how easy. Okay, I took out the wheel to get the entrance. What you need to do, to unclip this once and unscrew these ones. Alright, so one of them, okay, and one of them. Yeah, after there's also the connected, so you can unclip that. After, some of them, oh, there's nothing. All right, so checking underneath, nothing. So that's it. That's what you're gonna get the entrance over there. I'll show you soon what next. The first, you have to pull this out, okay? So now, and you can use any other tools. Yeah, you can use any tools like this, okay? So yeah, so one, just took out. Now easy. So I can separate. So, and same with another one. Yeah, also another tool has been there. So as you can see, one there, all right, and one there. So you have to also to pull it out, and that's it. Yeah, here we go. I just open it like that, and I need to take out everything. So to get the entrance to this pump, yeah, as you can see, the pipes is over there. With the pipes, everything is fine, the connection is fine, no leaks, nothing. It's just you have to pull out this pump. It's easy. All right, it's very easy. I'll show you up. It's just, you see, that's it, done. And you can see how bad it is. You see, so that what we have. All right, now it's just going out everything, so I need to clean out. It's the tongue of your screen wash. It's happening when you're mixing with the water. All right, you even, oh my god, it just was on a summertime. It was you know, the boiling probably very hot, that's why they came this. I don't know who's actually put that water on there, but you have to remove this. You have to remove this rubber, okay? I'll show you, that's blocked, okay? You need to clean them and everything will be fine. So you put them back, that's it. I'll show you in a minute, okay? So now I'm taking out. Okay, here we go. I just use the screwdriver, okay? I'm taking out this. So see, is the holes, and actually is the like filter. It's small holes in there, so I need to clean. When I'm gonna clean them, I'll show you guys why. So it's so bad. That's why your screen wash doesn't work. So see how easy, you just pull it out. That Mercedes, the build very well, so easy to fix. Yeah, now as you can see, is the clean. Alright, so how to do this? Alright, so guys, see, it's like filter, yeah, it's been blocked everything, that's why your screen wash doesn't work. Alright, so you clean it, put it back, that's it. I'll show you in a minute.